For homeowners in Middleburg, upgrading your windows isn't just a matter of style. It's an investment in your home's comfort, efficiency, and financial future. While it can be tempting to cut costs by choosing budget materials or quick installations, quality window installation offers lasting benefits that far outweigh the initial expense. From lower energy bills to fewer repairs and a higher home value, the savings from a well-installed window system continue for years. Here's how investing in professional, high-quality window installation pays off in the long run for Middleburg homes. Lower energy bills year-round. Middleburg's weather can swing from warm, humid summers to cooler winters, putting your home's heating and cooling systems to the test. Poorly installed windows, even those made with energy-efficient materials, can allow air leaks and drafts that waste energy. Quality installation ensures a tight, weatherproof seal around every frame, keeping your indoor climate consistent and comfortable. Combined with energy-efficient window features such as low-E glass, insulated frames, and argon gas fills, properly installed windows minimize heat transfer and air leakage. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, homeowners can save up to 25% on annual energy costs by upgrading to energy-efficient windows and ensuring proper installation. Over time, those savings can easily add up to thousands of dollars, paying back your investment while reducing your environmental footprint. Preventing costly repairs and maintenance. A rushed or low-quality window installation may look fine at first, but small gaps, misalignments, or poorly sealed frames can lead to water leaks, condensation, and structural damage down the line. In Middleburg's humid climate, trapped moisture can quickly cause mold growth, wood rot, and corrosion around your window frames, all expensive problems to fix later. Professional installers use the right techniques, tools, and sealants to ensure windows are properly fitted and insulated. This helps prevent leaks and warping, extending the lifespan of your windows and reducing the need for frequent maintenance. By paying for expert installation up front, you avoid years of unnecessary repair costs and preserve the integrity of your home's structure. Enhanced home value and market appeal. Whether you plan to stay in your Middleburg home for years or eventually sell, quality window installation increases property value and market appeal. Buyers recognize the importance of durable, energy-efficient windows, and they're often willing to pay more for homes that already have them installed. Professionally installed windows also improve your home's curb appeal. Modern frames, stylish designs, and clean finishes can dramatically enhance your exterior, making your home stand out in any neighborhood. In addition to improving aesthetics, buyers appreciate knowing that the windows won't require immediate replacement or repair, a reassurance that can help you secure a higher resale price. Greater comfort and noise reduction. Quality installation doesn't just save money, it improves daily living comfort. Properly sealed, multi-pane windows help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce outside noise, creating a peaceful environment inside your home. Whether you live near a busy road or in a quiet Middleburg neighborhood, upgraded windows act as an acoustic barrier, blocking external sounds and enhancing your home's tranquility. This consistent comfort can also help you rely less on your heating and cooling system, further lowering energy costs and extending the lifespan of your HVAC equipment. Long-lasting performance and warranty protection. When you choose professional installation, you're not just getting windows, you're getting peace of mind. Most high-quality manufacturers require professional installation to maintain their warranties. DIY or poorly executed installations can void these guarantees, leaving you unprotected if issues arise. By investing in a trusted Middleburg window installation company, you ensure your warranty remains valid, protecting you against manufacturing defects or performance problems for years to come. Additionally, professional installers often provide their own workmanship warranties, covering labor and installation issues beyond what the manufacturer offers. Final thoughts. While the initial cost of quality window installation may seem higher, the long-term savings and benefits make it one of the smartest home investments you can make. For Middleburg homeowners, professional installation ensures lower utility bills, fewer maintenance problems, better comfort, and lasting value. It's not just about replacing windows, It's about enhancing your home's efficiency, safety, and financial performance for decades. When you invest in expert craftsmanship today, you're not just improving your home, you're protecting your wallet, your comfort, and your future.